Thanks for joining us today. My name is Melanie Felvis. I am the founder and executive director of Your Preschools Incorporated. I'm standing at our Spring Creek location, which is our first location to be under a nonprofit banner. Here we have 2 toddler rooms of 10 toddlers each, and we have a CASA room that has 16 students. At this site, we have extended care, so we are open from 7:30 to 5:30 every day. We're going to have a look at one of our toddler rooms right now. As I said, this is a toddler room of 10 students with 2 educators. You can see the beautiful natural light that pours into this classroom and all of the child-sized furniture at the perfect height for toddlers. In the toddler room, we have a great concentration on 6 learning areas: social, language, cognitive, motor, practical life, and sensorial. You'll see jobs on our shelves here that represent all of those different areas. In the Montessori world, we call them jobs because mummies and daddies have jobs, and it's their job to learn when they're here. So while the children are here, they're choosing jobs, they're working at their own pace, and they are developing milestones while they're here. Maria Montessori developed the Montessori Method over 100 years ago in Italy. This method has stood the test of time. We have seen children reaching amazing milestones. We have seen children growing so much because they are in the rich learning environment. You can see from the jobs on our shelf that we are promoting language, we are promoting cognitive development, we are promoting cultural awareness. We are promoting this in our rich learning environment where the toddlers are soaking it all in because their minds are sponges, especially between the ages of 0 and 5. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, we have 6 learning areas in the toddler classroom. Right now, I'm just going to show you a glimpse into our sensorial area so you get a feel for the types of jobs that we would have here. So in the CASA program, which is our preschool JK and SK, we have the pink tower that has 10 blocks. The toddlers are starting with one of 5 blocks. So they would take this over to their mat and they would learn to build it from biggest to smallest. The brown stairs are a miniature version of the larger ones that are in the CASA classroom as well. So again, learning from thickest to thinnest, learning how to arrange them. The materials are actually self-correcting, so the smallest piece of the brown stairs is going to be flush with the next stair if they've done it properly. Typically in a toddler classroom, we're working with 1 sound per week. If this was this week's sound, we would call it G for goat. So we're building that phonetic base with the children. Another way to promote the language development would be with one of our telephones. The children can talk along and they can build those language skills. A lot of children come here not talking too much, but once they hear their peers talking and they're engaged with the educators in songs and stories and conversation, those language skills soar. Thank you for joining me for a tour of our toddler room at our Spring Creek location. We have 1 toddler room here and an identical one next door with room for more toddlers. You can inquire at yourpreschools@gmail.com. That's yourpreschools with an S on the end at gmail.com. Thank you.